Up my chin and up my eye and went to my head. Can you believe that?
No. So now that we're off the airplane, what do we do now?
Now we can put our backpacks on again because the apron started to leave now. Now we're home.
Oh, we're home. Good. Do you want me to help you put that on?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'm taking yours and you're going on the back. Now I'm driving home.
Oh, let's drive home in your car. Okay.
Okay, this is my car. And you can go on the back. There's a trunk on the back and the front you can go on. But I'm going to put that really small.
Yeah, because I would have to be very small to fit in there, but you'll pretend I'm in there?
Yeah, and you can walk behind me because
Okay.
you can sit. Now we're going to go on baseball and you can follow me on my baseball.
Okay.
And then we'll get home.
Let's
So
go.
pack your baggage and we'll go home.
Okay, I've got my suitcase. Let's go. I'll follow you. Let's go. I'll follow you.
Okay, well we have to get everything.
Okay.
Let me get my magazine. We're starting to go back to, we have to go quick. Because it's starting to close.
Okay.
It was just attending.
Yeah, you're just pretending.
Yeah.
Okay, should we go? Are you trying to hold everything?
Yes. Now hold these things. I'm going to put these things on first because that we're going to hold. And that, and I'm because it's starting to close.
Okay.
And backpack on my back. Can you help me with this? We're going home, so we don't need to take the car because we're starting to go on a baseball.
Okay, let's put this on. You ready?
I'm going to zip it up.
Okay, you zip it up. Okay, put this arm on there like that. Whoops, and then this arm back here. Okay,
Now we're going on the baseball.
let's go.
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Okay. Now we're home.
Well, don't we want to go like around? Let's go around once so we get home.
Okay, but
I'll follow you.
okay. Go to the park there. Wait. Now we're home.
Now we're home. Okay.
Now the airport's closed and everything. Now we're home. Now it's night and now it's daytime.
And now it's daytime.
Now it's nighttime again, so I have to sleep. Now we can play it. We're home.
Okay.
Now the airport is open now, and I'm going to go on the trip again.
The airport's open. You're going to go on another trip?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go this time?
We're not, because it said that we're going to go later.
Later.
It's still floating.
Someone just woke up and we want to ask them to say, what's the color of the sun? What color is the sun sometimes? Or the color of the moon sometimes?
Hey, Siri. Hey.
Or the color of those leaves out there? What color are those leaves?
Why is it getting dark again?
It's just not light yet because you got out here early and it's cloudy outside. What color is your toothbrush? What? What are we gonna do? Can you say tomorrow?
Mommy's trying to get Eva to say some words, but it doesn't work that way.
Because somebody knows the CAM is on. Someone's very aware of it these days. tomorrow? Don't say it. Don't say the word tomorrow, okay? And don't laugh. Don't laugh. And don't smile. And what happens in the fall? Look at, Eva, look, I just noticed over there those leaves are turning colors. That's new. You see that? You see those leaves turning colors? What color did it turn? Is it purple? Is that a purple leaf? Is it an orange leaf?
I don't know.
Is it a striped polka dotted leaf?
Yeah.
I guess there's no hope right now.